Hi guys! So today, if you're curious about how to lay your product the right way, keep on watching because that's what I'm going to talk about today. I will specifically talk about Osmosis. I'll use the Osmosis the skincare line to do this demo, and I will also really focus on my acne-prone skin because I found like that's where a lot of people have a hard time finding like the right skincare line for them. And also I'll talk about aging at the same time because I think that's where there's a lot of confusion when you're trying to mix acne and aging together. Not sure what's right. Sorry. So the first thing that you need to do, especially if you're acne prone skin, is to wash your face the right way. So we'll picture that we are like at nighttime. So we start our nighttime routine. The first thing would be to remove your makeup first. That's the most important, especially if you are acne prone. Usually, like if you still have some residue of your makeup in your face, like you'll break down. Like I'll break out, that's for sure. If you are on the oily side, I suggest just like doing, well, I guess if you're dry skin, I will start with dry skin. If you're really dry, you're more like on the sensitive, acne prone dry, I would start washing my face with a good cleanser that's really designed to remove the makeup. So you want to really melt the makeup so it's easy to wipe. Like when you're using wipes, it's actually kind of abrasive. It just pull your makeup out and it doesn't truly clean your pores and all that. So that's why I'm not a big fan of wipes, and then they're completely not good for environment. So the lift away from Osmosis is really great. It's like a balm, so it's not like a gel. Little bottle like that, you open it, it's a balm. And you just apply it, you massage. Don't massage too hard, especially on your eyes, and then you can kind of remove it with water and a gentle cloth to remove your makeup. So you can use this product all over your face, and it's really gentle. I'm more on the like the oily side, so using a product like that, it's a little bit rich for me. So that's where you can either use a product like Deep Clean or Purify to wash your makeup off. I personally like the Deep Clean at night because it will do a better job at removing my makeup completely, and it really removes like any like dirt, oil. But that's what's nice, it's just kind of gently remove everything. Like you're not supposed to like wash your face and like be reaching out for the toner or something like that. It needs to feel good when you wash your face. So at night, if you're wearing a lot of makeup, I would definitely suggest to do a double wash. So you would start with something like Deep Clean that's more really that gonna melt the makeup, make it easy, and then I would go with a second pass with something more gentle, just to make sure that I have a complete white canvas, because I don't want any residue to be clog my pore, because that's my number one reason why I do break out. It's my makeup, that's for sure. When I don't wash my face properly at nighttime. So washing your face is essential, especially for acne prone and even like in life in general, right? Like for aging, it create a lot of inflammation. And then any product that you're going to apply after, if you don't have like a clean face, like the product will not penetrate as well. So super important to wash your face first. Then comes to like that famous question about the toner. Seriously, I'm not a big fan of toner because I like to have product that do a good job at what they're supposed to be doing. So I like a good cleanser that melt my makeup away, that clean my pores, that all that. And then I like to have my active ingredient in a format that I can control. So in a serum, because there's a delivery system, it actually goes deeper. In a moisturizer, stay at the surface. I don't want active ingredient there. And a toner, technically your cleanser should be pH balanced to begin with if you go for a good quality. And it's not like toners are not designed to really sit on your face. So that's why I'm not a big fan of toner. I just prefer having for like invest in good cleanser, good serum for sure. that would be my priority. So Osmosis don't believe in toner, so they don't have a toner. They have something like Boost, and I'll explain it later because I'm not using it at this point. So if you have acne prone skin, or maybe you have enlarged pores, what else? Just the overall texture. Like if you're looking at your epiderm, like really the top level of your skin, and it just needs help, that's where Rescue is my go-to. Rescue is just, I don't know how to describe this product. It's like a little miracle in the bottle, and it's an epidermal repair serum. So it makes sure that your epiderm is in good health. And because that's the first layer of your skin, that's out there in the environment. So using a serum like that will make sure that you have like a good epiderm. It calms any inflammation, and inflammation is after the sun. It's high up there in the aging, that's what ages your skin, right? So it's really important to calm inflammation. So if you have any kind of inflammation, open pore, broken capillary, redness, Rescue. If you're about to break out, acne prone skin, definitely Rescue is my go-to. If you're really inflamed, at the beginning of your treatment, I would do it twice a day, morning and night. And the first one, because that's the first product that I want to act on my skin, so I would start with this product. And when I feel like my skin is in good state, I can start using it once a day. But at first, every day, twice a day, that's for sure. So Rescue would be my first, the first one I would use. If you're using a StemFactor from Osmosis, I would do it even faster, like the first step. But right now we're talking about acne, I'm not going to mention it. But if you're using a StemFactor in your routine, that would go before. When you lay your product, you really need to think about the order of the ingredient that you want to feed your skin, right? So at first I want to wash my face with a white Canva, and then I want to start putting the product that will actually go deeper in my skin. So that's where I'm gonna start with the serums right away, because I want those products to go right to my skin cell. And if I put it after my moisturizer is designed to protect your skin. It just sits at the surface, it doesn't go anywhere. So when you apply any product after your moisturizer, it's not going to work, it's a waste. So after your Rescue, that's the first one you want to apply. Then at nighttime, I would use my vitamin A. In this case, with Osmosis, I would suggest the Clarify. Clarify, it's a retinaldehyde version, so it's not like your retinol or retinoid. It's actually like a really soothing, calming vitamin A. So that's what's nice about it. You're still having the benefit of a vitamin A that would speed up your skin cell turnover, act for anti-aging. There's amazing ingredient in it, but it will really prevent breaking out in the future. And again, those products have a delivery system, so the penetration is about 600 times deeper than what you would get at the drugstore or Sephora or something like that. So that's why I really like Clarify. Clarify is the foundation of an acne prone skin, that's for sure. So definitely after my Rescue, I would apply this one. After my Rescue, I like to apply my Catalyst AC11. That's actually an antioxidant, a vitamin C. So it needs to be applied daytime also, but at nighttime I still like to do it, especially if you're dealing with acne scarring. If you have that hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, after you break out, you have that red dot that just doesn't go away, you need this product in your life. It's amazing. There's different type of vitamin C out there. This one you'll see is it's patent, so it's already kind of oxidized before you even apply it. So that's a little bit different. I'm going to talk about that later. But it may be a little bit thick when you apply this product. So that's where I'm bringing their toner. It's called Boost. Boost is their delivery system in a bottle. So I would apply just half a pump of the Catalyst AC11, and I would spray maybe 3 squirts of this product in it, and I would massage it my skin completely. So because this product is really concentrated, and I have like a lot of clients that will like buy it and say, oh my god, like it's super dark, now I have like that yellow mask in my face. You're using way too much. This product is really active, really concentrated, so I would strongly suggest pairing it with Boost, because that will, so first you'll save because you're not going to need as much, and it will just go deeper in your skin. And Boost have hyaluronic acid in it, so it really plump your skin. There's antibacterial property there too. So if you're working out at the gym, I would suggest, like, after your workout, if you don't want to wash your face right away, include Boost in your routine or daytime. So really, like, it's plumping, it's that hyaluronic acid, right? So that's why I would do my Catalyst followed by my Boost to help the product penetrate deeper. And then you have that nice plump from hyaluronic acid. You need to understand that we want all the vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E to go straight to your, like inside your skin cell. Then you want your hyaluronic acid to kind of coat the exterior of your skin cell, because you want to bring all the moisture in it. So it's more like a hydrator. And that's where I would finish with my Quench. Quench is the moisturizer from Osmosis that's more like hydrating. It's perfect for acne prone skin. You don't want something too rich because that may, make you break out even more. So we don't want that. We want like a moisturizer that really let your skin breathe. That's what you want. You want to bring the hydration in, right? You don't want to just have like oil that sit at the surface of your skin, because it's like, that's where your skin get all mixed up. So I like this one for your skin. You need to realize that a moisturizer only sits at the surface of your skin. That's its job. It's there to protect your skin from the outside. So I don't want like any kind of like vitamin C, vitamin A, that should not be in like a moisturizer. You just want like a good moisturizer that's acid hyaluronic base, so that will trap the moisture in, the hydration in, the water, so you have that plump and protected skin. That's why it's the last part. I forgot to talk about the eye cream. That's another thing. So sometimes people will maybe put their moisturizer and then they'll put their eye cream. So for the same principle, as you need to put your serums everywhere, and right after that, you would apply your eye cream. One thing that I'll be honest with Osmosis, I love their treatment serum. I love them for acne prone skin, my sensitive skin, people with rosacea. That's the best line to go with. But when it comes to eye care, they're not my go-to. And one thing that's nice about Osmosis, you can bring all their serum directly to your eyelid. There's no problem there. So that's why I'm not I like using Catalyst around my eyes, have like way better results than their eye cream in general. So feel free to apply all your skincare right to your eyes with Osmosis. That's not a big deal at all. And after that, I would they have a sunscreen. We're talking about nighttime right now, so it doesn't really relate for night, but they have a night sunscreen, but I don't think I would, if you're acne prone skin, I don't think I would go with Osmosis. It's quite rich. So then it would be your nighttime. You go to bed, you wake up in the morning, and now you want to wash your face during the day. You need to realize that you probably haven't done like much during the night. So your face is not dirty technically. You haven't wear any makeup, you didn't go outside, there's no pollution. So you want to wash your face gently in the morning. So I would start with something more gentle, can be the Purify again, but I would not do my double wash, okay? Right after, I would apply my Rescue again, and that's where I would apply a vitamin C. So you can either use the Catalyst from Osmosis or any kind of vitamin C. I like vitamin C or any antioxidant because it's perfect against the free radical outside. It protects your skin against pollution, environment. So it's super important to have like a good vitamin C. There's different one on the market. So if you have an acne prone skin, I would go with something that have maybe 10% or less of vitamin C. I do like the Catalyst, they have the Replenish, but Replenish doesn't have vitamin C, so there's different option there, but you can reuse the Catalyst, no problem. And then I would use the Boost with it, and I would finish with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. So that would be the right order of using your product, but you always need to be mindful that first it should be your cleanser. You wash your face at first. If that would be the perfect time actually to, if you want to do a mask, let's say it's nighttime, so you wash your face, you would apply like a mask, you wait 10 minutes, you wash your mask off, then you would apply something like your Epidermal repair or your growth factor serum. Then you would apply all your treatment serum. Try to apply your treatment serum in the order of penetration or where you want them to be. So you would start with your vitamin C, then your vitamin A, and then you would finish with your hyaluronic acids, and then with your moisturizer. And then on top of your moisturizer, you have your sunscreen and, you know, primer, makeup, and all that. So that would be like the right order of using the skincare product and with Osmosis. So if you have any question, feel free to comment below. I'll be answering all your questions. We do offer free virtual consultation if you want to learn more about them. We ship all over Canada. We're open for business. At the shipping, we still ship products. We don't take client like face to face at this point, but we do offer. We still ship all the products. So if you have any question, reach out, and yeah. So see you soon. Bye bye.